everyone! Welcome back to Medicare Tube USA. If you're new here, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hit that bell icon so you never miss an update. Today I've got something super interesting lined up for all the denture users out there. We're diving into the world of food challenges with dentures. Yep, you heard that right. We're gonna see how different foods fare when you've got false teeth. First off, let's talk about why this is important. Dentures can make chewing and biting a bit tricky, and it's something millions of people deal with. So let's get into it and explore this openly. Alright, let's set up our gear. I've got some realistic dentures here, and I'll be using a strong adhesive to keep them secure. Check out this table loaded with foods of all textures and toughness. We've got soft, crunchy, sticky, and tough items. Let's get testing. Starting with soft foods, easy to chew. We have mashed potatoes, pudding, bananas, and soft bread. Dentures handle these like a champ. Chewing is smooth and comfortable. No problems here. Next up, crunchy foods, apples, carrots, nuts, and crackers. This is where things get interesting. Biting into an apple shows the bite strength and stability, but sometimes food can slip under the dentures. It's a bit of a challenge, but manageable with practice. On to sticky foods, caramel, peanut butter, toffee, and gummy candies. Oh boy, these are tricky. Sticky foods can loosen the dentures or stick to them. Not the best experience, but some stronger adhesives might help. Now, the toughest test. Chewy foods like steak, tough bread, bagels, and dried fruits. These really test the durability and strength of dentures. Chewing can be tough and might need some adjustments. Cutting the food into smaller pieces can make it easier. Let's add a bit of humor here. Ever had that moment when a piece of food just refuses to cooperate with your dentures? Yeah, relatable. But don't worry, everyone faces these little frustrations. Remember to laugh it off and keep going. Now let's get into some tips and tricks. Use stronger adhesives for sticky foods. Clean your dentures after meals, especially after sticky or tough foods. And always consult your dentist if your dentures are uncomfortable or not functioning properly. I'd love to hear your experiences with dentures. Drop your stories and tips in the comments below. Any foods you want me to test next? Let me know. To wrap things up, testing these foods has been enlightening. Remember, dentures don't have to limit your diet. With the right approach, you can still enjoy a wide variety of foods. Stay positive and creative. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you next time on Medicare Tube USA.